Welcome you in bio class. I am going to explain you about interferon. Interferons are antiviral protein. Antiviral proteins. These antiviral proteins are produced by viral infected cells. Viral infected cells of host produce interferon. You know, when the virus is infecting the cell, virus enter the cell. It means after entering the viral replication will start. So viral replication activates the host cell for the production of antiviral protein or interferon. Antiviral protein or interferon are produced by viral infected host cell. This antiviral protein provide resistance to the neighboring cells of the host. So how the interferon will provide protection to the neighboring cells? So this interferon, I told, works against viral infection, cells infected by virus, that then it will produce antiviral protein. That antiviral protein is interferon, and it released by the infected cells. This interferon, after releasing from the infected cells, make the neighboring cells resistant to the other or neighboring viral infection by inhibiting multiplication of viral particles. So interferons which release from the infected cells, it will provide resistant capacity to the other cells, or it will develop resistance capacity in the other living cells of the host. So how this interferon is providing resistant capacity to the neighboring cells? In that, first is by inhibiting viral replication. First is by inhibiting viral replication. Second is interferons which release by viral infected cells, that will activate natural killer cells. Activate natural killer cells and macrophages. Interferon increase antigen presentation to lymphocytes so as increase multiplication of matching T cells and B cells will increase. So T cells are T lymphocytes, B cells are B lymphocytes. So their production will increase. Interferon induces resistance of host cell to viral infection. So interferons are species specific. It means human interferons can be used only in human. The interferons which are produced in the human body, that is human interferon. And this human interferon, it will develop resistance capacity against viral infection while in the human body. If there is animals interferon, then it can be used while in the animals. Therefore, I told interferons are species specific. Nowadays, interferons are made by recombinant DNA technology, that is, or DNA technology. It is genetic engineering. And that interferon which are produced by recombinant DNA technology used in treating hepatitis, influenza and against cancer. So here in this figure you can see, this is the cell of the host. In the cell of host, virus has come. So this is the viral DNA. Viral DNA start multiplication. This viral replication activate host cell gene for the production of antiviral protein. This is the antiviral protein. Now this antiviral proteins will release by the virus infected cells. So these are the antiviral proteins, that is the interferon released by this is the infected cells. From the infected cells, interferons are released. Now this will attach to the other host cell. Other healthy host cells are. So on the surface of it, interferons is going to attach. And after that, this interferon binds to the surface of neighboring cells and induce synthesis of antiviral protein. So in this way, interferons produced by viral infected host cell, it induce production of antiviral proteins or interferons by healthy neighboring cells and stop multiplication of virus inside the cell.